This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST333VIK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 37 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 11, carbon monoxide detector, Slideout, external shower, oven, smoke detector, air conditioning, skylight, water heater, awning, TV antenna, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST333VIK is 8,990 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST333VIK. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.